Okay, good morning. It is Monday morning. We're going to Mount Tremblant. Mike's gonna go skiing. I might go skiing. I'm gonna probably hang out in a chalet or something and read my book or do something. I don't know if I want to ski yet, but I'm sure.
With the coffee and breakfast.
Yeah, I'm sure my plans will change. But we're on our way now. It's 8 a.m. so here we go. So we stopped to get some AirBNB. Mike decided to get a coupon double. Get some two. Did they give us a hash brown?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, two of these sausage sandwiches. We got coffees here. How's your breakfast? Ooh, it's greasy. Oh, you don't like the sausage. Did you eat hash brown already? Okay, so you're all set. You're all going by yourself.
I'm all by myself.
I feel like a mom sending her kid off for his lessons.
Come to the base or something. Tell me when you're here.
I'm gonna go to the Starbucks.
Okay.
I'm gonna go park the car and get
Good.
everything set up. Are you excited for your new skis?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
I'm excited to get up there.
Okay. Have fun.
Thank you, Mama.
Make sure you get some videos up there and of the view and everything. Sideways.
Yeah, I'll provide some.
Okay.
Good luck.
Love you. Bye. So Mike's going skiing by himself. I'm not gonna go. I don't really want to. I mean, I kind of want to because it's like a nice hill and it's, you know, Mount Tremblant, but it's not worth the risk for me. And I mean, I'm only jealous because I always want to do whatever Mike wants to do, and I always want to be wherever Mike is, and I just I'm like always going by himself. But I'm gonna go in Starbucks. I'm gonna do some work. I'm putting together a program for a client, and I am going to read my book, and I'll be here for maybe like 5.5 hours, but that's okay. I'm okay with that. I'm gonna do some good things, and I'm gonna go park the car now.
Diamond.
How is it?
I was doing black diamonds.
Why?
I need coffee.
So Starbucks had no seating inside, so I ended up going to this other little cafe in here. I didn't really like it that much, but it was kind of cute. I left my book in the car, and so I had to go walk back. But I was already in there for like 3 hours or something. Mike came, obviously, had a sandwich. He's back on the hill, so I'm gonna go back in the cafe, have a coffee. The people that work there are very nice. The food's kind of crap, but I need to hang out somewhere. So I was working on a business plan. Now I'm going back in.
We messed up on the time that they closed.
They close at 5.
No,
Oh.
they closed now.
You're so happy. So the Airbnb that we got, we're not at my aunt's anymore. We are 3 hours south of Mount Tremblant. We're actually south of Gatineau. We decided to do Tremblant and then try to get an hour closer to home for our trip tomorrow. But our Airbnb is so beautiful and so cool, and it's literally in the middle of the woods. Like, I'm obsessed with it. And the lady that owns it is very nice, very, very nice woman. And we just talked to her for like 2 hours or something, right? But yeah, we're gonna read. I'm whispering because she's upstairs sleeping and I want to be respectful. We had a shower, we ate food, and now we are gonna read and go to bed, and we will be on our way home tomorrow. So good night. See you tomorrow.